Hi there. So is your touchpad's two-finger scrolling not working on your Windows 11 laptop? Don't worry, I've got you covered. In this video, I'll walk you through several fixes step by step that should get your scrolling back to normal. I'm showing these solutions on my Lenovo laptop, but the same fixes work on almost any Windows 11 laptop. Whether you have Dell, HP, Asus, Acer, or any other brand, the settings menus and shortcuts might look a little different depending on your laptop brand, but you'll definitely have equivalent options available. Let's start with the most basic fix first. You want to check your touchpad settings in Windows 11. Go to Settings, then Bluetooth and Devices, then Touchpad. The first thing you need to make sure is that the touchpad toggle is turned on. Sometimes this can get switched off accidentally, and you won't even realize it. Once you've confirmed the touchpad is enabled, scroll down to the section called Scroll and Zoom, and check that Drag two fingers to scroll is enabled. If it's not checked, go ahead and enable it. You can also adjust whether scrolling feels natural or reverse direction here, depending on what feels comfortable to you. Next thing to try is a simple restart. I know it sounds basic, but restarting your laptop can rule out temporary glitches that might be affecting the touchpad. Sometimes Windows just needs a fresh start to get things working properly again. Here's something that catches a lot of people. If you're using an external mouse, try unplugging it and test the touchpad again. Some laptops automatically disable the touchpad when a mouse is connected, so this could be your issue right there. Also, look for a function key shortcut on your keyboard. It's usually something like FN plus F6, F8, or a similar key that has a touchpad icon on it. Pressing this combination toggles the touchpad on and off. On my Lenovo, it's FN plus F6, but the shortcut keys vary by brand. Even if the combination looks different on your laptop, there will be a similar option somewhere on your function keys. If the basic settings didn't fix it, let's move on to driver issues. Open Device Manager by right-clicking the Start button and selecting Device Manager. Expand the section called Mice and Other Pointing Devices. You'll see your touchpad driver listed there. It might be called Synaptics, ELAN, HID compliant, or something similar, depending on what hardware your laptop uses. Right-click on your touchpad driver and select Update Driver. Let Windows search for and install any available updates. If your scrolling issues started after a recent update, you can also try going into Properties, then the Driver tab, and select Rollback Driver to go back to the previous version. Another option is to completely uninstall the driver and then restart your laptop. Windows will automatically reinstall the driver when it boots up, which can sometimes fix corrupted driver installations. Now here's a tip that a lot of people don't know about. Many laptop brands have their own utility software that can help with driver updates. On Lenovo laptops, it's the Lenovo Vantage app. For Dell, it's Dell Update. HP has HP Support Assistant, and Asus uses My Asus. These apps are usually pre-installed on your laptop. Open your brand's app and check for driver updates or firmware updates specifically. These manufacturer apps often have more specific drivers than what Windows Update provides. And keeping your touchpad drivers up to date often fixes gesture issues like two-finger scrolling. Let's also check the vendor-specific touchpad settings. Some laptops use Synaptics, ELAN, or ALPS drivers, and these have their own control panels with additional settings. Inside that tab, make sure that multi-finger gestures or scrolling options are enabled. These settings can sometimes get disabled, and that's what causes the scrolling to stop working. Don't forget to update Windows itself. Go to Settings, then Windows Update, and install any pending updates. Microsoft regularly releases updates that can fix touchpad issues and improve gesture recognition. You should also use your laptop's support app or visit the manufacturer's website to check for BIOS or firmware updates. These low-level updates can improve touchpad performance and fix bugs with gestures that software updates can't address. If you're still having issues after trying all these fixes, there are a couple of advanced things you can try. You can do a clean boot to rule out software conflicts that might be interfering with your touchpad. As a last resort, you can use System Restore to roll back your computer to a point when the touchpad was working fine. But here's the thing, if none of these software fixes solve your touchpad issue, it's most likely a hardware problem rather than a software problem. In that case, it's best to get your laptop fixed by the service center of your laptop company. Hardware issues with touchpads usually require professional repair or replacement of the touchpad component itself. So that's basically how you fix two-finger scrolling issues on Windows 11 laptops. Remember, I showed this on my Lenovo, but the same methods apply across all laptop brands. The function key shortcuts and apps like Lenovo Vantage may look different on your specific laptop, but the options will definitely be there somewhere. Most of the time, it's just a settings issue or a driver problem that can be fixed pretty easily. Start with the simple fixes first and work your way up to the more advanced solutions if needed. If this helped you get your scrolling working again, give the video a thumbs up and subscribe for more troubleshooting tips. I'm always dealing with these kinds of tech issues, so there's definitely more content like this coming. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.